such.
Welcome.
This is none of
For
that
guest floor
foolishness.
access, please touch your room key to the key
Right.
reader and press your guest room floor.
Oh, that's where we are.
Going
We are
up.
on the first floor.
Welcome.
Okay,
For
well,
guest
then you
floor
get it out.
access, please touch your room
Yes,
key
sir, we were
to the
on
key
first.
reader and press your guest
Come on.
room floor.
Up.
Going up. Welcome. For guest floor access, please touch your room key to the key reader and press your guest room floor. Going up. Welcome. For guest floor access, please touch your room key to the key reader and press your guest room floor.
Hey, what's up? No, I'm coming up to 4.
No.
Yeah, that's where you're at, right?
Estoy aquí.
You guys going up?
Sí.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, you're good.
I went up. I'm coming in 4.
Letting me up.
Okay, espera en el room, el elevador subió
No, I
abajo.
picked up.
All right.
¿Qué pasa? Subiendo.
For guest floor access, please touch your room key to the key reader
Thank you.
and press your guest room floor.
How you doing,
All
man?
right, what's up, man?
Andrew, South Bend, Indiana, local 75.
Okay.
Who are you talking
87.
today? Right on.
Yeah.
In San Antonio?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
I screwed up a little bit at the end.
I didn't even notice. No one really noticed.
Four.
All right, man, I see
See you,
you.
buddy.
Going up. Welcome. For guest floor access, please touch your room key to the key reader and press your guest room floor. Going up. Welcome. For guest floor access, please touch your room key to the key reader and press your guest room floor.
Take care.
All right, buddy.
Door 60. Going up. Welcome. For guest floor access, please touch your room key to the key reader and press your guest room floor.
Are they gonna just play that announcement over and over again?
Floor 70. Going down. For guest floor access, please touch your room key to the key reader and press your guest room floor.
Right?
I don't know, we gotta figure out where it is.
Sanity's in that floor, so I don't know.
And press your guest room floor.
It might be in another building.
Going up. Welcome. For guest floor access, please touch your room key to the key reader and press your guest room floor.
Let's go down to 1. Hold on. It's not gonna let me open the doors. Well, anyway. Here, let's get the cab view later. I wanna get it. All right, let's get our cab view now. This is at the Detroit Marriott Renaissance Center. It's probably like one of the tallest hotels in the country. Tallest building in the state, I know that. What is it doing? Oh, we're going back up. Oh my God. We'll end it wherever this takes us.
2. Going down.
How's it going?
Welcome. Forgetful access.
Yep.
Okay.